So now that the leaves are done, it's a crisp Friday in November. It's 28 degrees out. Now it's time to do some trimming on some of these branches. Just kind of get them out of the way. Some are in the way. I got some out there. A couple trees in the driveway. So Saker was nice enough to send me one of these mini electric chainsaws. It's kind of cool. Got a nice, balanced nicely. Works pretty good. Got a little guard on there. Let's see how well it works on branches. That makes quick work of things. Oh, I could see this being a problem, man. This is going to be too good. It's a nimble little thing. See how tight we can get it into here. Oh, that's nice. I do like that little guard on there. It works pretty well. This branch right here hits me every time I'm plowing snow. I can't get up there. I'm sure this would go right through it, but I don't have a ladder available to me right now. So let's just do some trimming here. Let's see what it's like when it's loose. Oh, yeah, when it goes right up against the guard, that works really nicely. Let's go see what it looks like on bigger things. So this one's pretty good sized. As you can see, it's about the same size. This is only about 3.5 inch bar. I've hated this branch. Every time I mow lawn, I smack into it. I like this. Not a bad brush pile. I've been out here for about 20 minutes. Showed you everything that I cut, but this thing not dogging down or anything. I'm actually out of stuff to trim. It's pretty cool. I like it. So that is this, the Saker Mini Chainsaw. I like it. I'll definitely use it very much. So, hope everybody enjoyed that. Have yourself a good weekend, and all of you, be good.